Bobi Wine will never be president of this country. That's a lie. He cannot. Ebyali mu byakisiru. Abaimwe muloza bw'okujjako government oyina okuleekaana okuba endulu. You must have a strategy. You must have it. And you know kubeera ne technocrat all over ministries. President Museveni ng'agenda mu lutalo. But Dr. Besigye, in fact, Genocide Jose Alisi wa Jinja Road, also wa Jinja Road. Balutaana Lugunda. These were people in the government they wanted to remove. Tosobola kujjako bali mu buyinza. Nga tokolaganye na bali mu buyinza. You can't get power without people in power. That's a lie. You must collaborate with people in power. That's why but President Museveni baberera musiko amabanka gabbibwa. President Museveni yaina group eyali munda mu government y'obote. Kati gwe Bobi Wine oli magere mu bigere toyina wadde akasaale. You don't have a bullet. Oliawo mbuyagala how really? Can Bobi Wine move a military government? Ngali magere alya byanyanja ne mukazi we Babi. Bwamala n'abuuka n'agenda Boston n'asikana bana Uganda abatalina mulamwa. Bali eyo mu poko joint e Boston bali ambizi. After they sing, we are removing a dictator. We are freeing a dictator. Muli mu poko joint mu apartment mwebasi. Kat these idiots. Over the dictator is removing you. You know, you have no sesco proverbs. Junior, we are removing Museveni. Stop lying, people. There's nothing you are doing that is removing Museveni from power apart from meeting President Museveni at night in Gomez. That's all you are doing. Katuyagaranze Junior Yasoma. I leave my workplace. I leave my wealth. Mbonzijeku street in Caracas. When I clearly know it, that the people in opposition actually, Bakuria Mwami Museveni, they are working for him. That's why we are in opposition in Mugaga Muzimu. In serious countries, tebasobola kukiriza ngovuganya government ato oberenga you own businesses. Mbulirayo. Gendo chikole Bungereza. That you are working against the British government and they allow you to own businesses. Nemu America sichirabangako. They freeze your assets. Of course, that's what every government does. Bungereza they are freezing ebintu bya assets za Russia. Netuka nekwata nabagagga ba Russia. Baloma ne Abramovich. Cheros tebaji musuza. Just because he's associated with Putin. Ati goli wano, Bobi Wine akera kumacha ye yagala business zezikola. Nga which country can allow you? Poziko ngoli double dealer. So our opposition in Uganda double dealers. They are very rich people because they are government agents. And that's a fact. Nababera mu America muchimanyi. Nabali ebungereza you know these facts. Nemwe buzamagezi. There is no government that can allow you to work against it and you have businesses. Mbuliraye. Even in the US where it is democracy, they can't allow you. Mama. Bavu wazagwe. Kano lwecho tulemo bintu byokwerimba. Let us speak facts. Uganda to get change, it will be a long time. First of all, the society is not ready for change. The leadership in this country, across all boards, abanadini bali yasete wa President Museveni. Religious leaders. Abasubuzi are government agents. Everybody is now working for government. And in societies where every institution depends on government, even the religious leaders, there will be no change. As simple as that.